There were 2 gazette notices, that is 6285, 3 gazette notices, 6285, 6286, and 6287, whereby members of the board who appointed were 22. The other ambit is that she relied on a wrong provision of the law. And if you look at the judicial officers code of conduct, that is rule 35, states that a judicial officer shall exhibit respect to the rule of law, comply with law, avoid impropriety and appearance of impropriety, and act in a manner that promotes public confidence in the integrity and impartiality of the judicial service.
Ni mwashia thitango iria ciendekithitio cia kuhagura mucirithania munene Justice Martha Koome ni Michael Kojo Otieno ikimukuruhania na kwagarara imwe ya mitaratara ya mawatho maria magathikitwo ni gatiba ya bururi na mawatho na mahinya maria ahetwo ni gatiba ta mucirithania munene bururi-ini wa Kenya.
One definitely clearly indicates that the CJ did not comply with the law. The second part of it is that on the professionalism and courtesy, that is rule 12.1, states that a judicial officer or any other officer of the judicial service shall ensure that his official and private conduct uphold at all times the dignity and the integrity of the judicial service by conducting himself both officially and in private in a dignified, honest and impeccable manner. So anchored on those rules, as read together with Article 73.1, Article 73A, which talks about public trust to be exercised in a manner that vests in the state officer the responsibility to serve the people rather than to rule over them. That one clearly indicates that if you've appointed more people than the expected number, then definitely you want to have power to rule over them.
Riedekithia maya mothe makihuthika kugeria kuonania ati mucirithania uyu munene ni agararite mawatho mamwe gatiba-ini ya bururi, undu uria ungicungiriria guthingithia wihokeku giti-ini giake kia wathani, kuona ati itua ria Martha Koome ria kwagarara mamwe ma mawatho maya ni kugeria kugia na wathani iguru ria aria mamuhete wira andu ha kumutungatira na nio muingi.
Whereas the powers which had been conferred upon the Chief Justice, she relied on an old law instead of a new law, the Tax Appeal Tribunal Amendment Act of 2022, whereby Section 4B states that while appointing the members to be at the Tax Appeal Tribunal, they should not be less than 15 and not more than 20.
Michael Kojo Otieno ria wandikithitie thitango cikure munene uyu wa ucirithania bururi-ini akuruhanitie Martha Koome na kwagarara na kwaga uigiririki wira-ini wake hari kuima mweke amwe a memba kuingira bodi-ini ya igoti-ini kwamura amemba ingi gukira uria athitwo ni gatiba na thitango ingi gukirikana ndanahuthira mitaratara mieru ya wamurani na uguo tiwe wagiriire gukorwo aikarire giti giki kia mucirithania munene bururi-ini wa Kenya.
Honorable the Chief Justice
Nake munene wa motungata ma